My name is Annie and I'm playing the dog and the lazy cat.
And my name is Gwenllian and I'm playing the hen who lives with the cat, and I'm also playing the snow friend and the swan as well. We've had so many people in working with us on different things. We've had Duckling doing the music with us, we've had
Jen with the movement,
and of course Sarah in with us doing all the rest of the stuff, and just, yeah, so we've been bombarded by all these amazing things. So
we're doing a lot of playing at the moment.
Yeah, lots of clucking and whacking and honking.
Yes, a lot of honking.
In terms of physicalising each character and finding their voice, Devan's written a really beautiful kind of folky vibe, especially in terms of singing. And your main instrument is the harp.
And the fiddle.
Yes. So that they kind of go really nicely. It kind of gives that basic folk vibe, but it's really playful as well and quite fun.
And we move on to the summer, and it's just everything sort of grows, and you can see that through the music too, which is lovely.
Yeah, it lifts, it's fun, and there's an array of different instruments, which is really fun to play around with. It'll be great. We're doing two. We're doing the first one in November,
around southeast
here. That's going to be great fun. Going into all those different places, and then in January we're taking it on a national Welsh language tour. With Theatr Genedlaethol, so that'll be brilliant.
That'll be incredible to see how different areas and different ages to respond to it. So
Yeah,
it's going to be nice.
Yeah, really looking forward to getting it on its feet. Yeah.